But I do want you to time out the weekend with me because I think it's very important. You know, you hear the idea of more lake effect snow and you think it's going to ruin your entire weekend. The majority of today is going to be just fine. In fact, I think we're going to see a decent sunrise this morning. Some sunshine, a few flakes. By about midday, the clouds will really start to increase here. Late tonight, that's when that lake effect snow really starts to develop. It's all a part of a wind shift here, and I'll show you that on satellite and radar in just a second. Tomorrow, though, lake effect will continue through the majority of the day. It's then tomorrow night where it starts to exit. We start to lift, and then we'll actually work more sunshine in here for the beginning of the week, and that's associated with mild air. The mild air is not here this morning, but I do want to show you those active winter weather-related alerts that are in place. We have a lake effect snow warning. This has been upgraded since what you were seeing last night. I was telling you yesterday at 5 p.m. that this was all a winter storm watch. It has been upgraded. A lake effect snow warning for Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, and Ashtabula County. Trumbull County has been added to a winter weather advisory. The demarcation between these things are based on very fine totals here, and I think the majority of us will at least see an excess potentially of 6 inches. But that lake effect snow warning is because the National Weather Service thinks 6 to 12 inches could happen in some of these zones that are highlighted in that light blue for you. These start at 8 p.m. tonight, go all the way to 7 p.m. tomorrow, and it's not associated with the few flakes you're actually seeing on our satellite and radar right now. Things are actually relatively quiet. We are waiting for a bigger switch to come, and that'll toss our lake effect back up as our wind shift happens and impacts parts of the primary and secondary snow belt. Everyone, nonetheless, if you're experiencing some flakes or not, is enduring some of that cold this morning. All of us basically in the 20s here. It's 24 in Elyria, but because of the gusty winds that are in place, it feels like 11 degrees. We will feel like the teens for the majority of today. Zooming you out, showing you things a little bit bigger. All of the Great Lakes have lake effect happening actively right now, but it's this little blimp of where you see those wind streams kind of come together through the state of Wisconsin right now, all the way back through Iowa. That's what ends up digging through here and changing our event for us. It'll happen this evening. So in your National Design hour forecast, the majority of your day, once again, will be okay. If you have things to do ahead of Thanksgiving, today's a great day to do so. It's late tonight that I probably pull all of those maybe outdoor activities that you maybe are fixing lights up outside, back inside. It's a great movie night. Here comes that first wave. This clipper system is going to dive in toward us at about 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Kind of widespread at times, but here goes that lake effect band situation too. This is 2 a.m. tomorrow, impacting parts of the primary and secondary snow belt. It does not let up. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. I will be telling you tomorrow morning on Go that this is going to be a persistent event for hours tomorrow morning, especially. We start to see a little gradual lift at about 4 p.m. Those interior and a little bit farther to the west going to experience about nothing, maybe a dusting at best. Once again, this is a primary and secondary snow belt kind of event. When it comes to your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, I promise you we'll breathe here together. We do get warmer, but it's going to be a cold weekend, and some of us will be dealing with lake effect snow once again this week. Things lift back into the 40s as we head toward Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 50 degrees is back in your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast. That's where we should be this time of the year. And for Thanksgiving, an isolated shower chance and temperatures just shy of 50 degrees, Danielle.